guys, it's Silvana. Welcome back to my channel. I look insane right now, and that's because today's video is a tutorial or kind of just like me honestly practicing my Halloween makeup look because I'm gonna be a vampire. And honestly, I think it turned out pretty cool. Also, I didn't use that many different products. Like all the eyeshadow is just one. I just like blended it out and then packed it on with the lid. That way it's more pigmented. This look was honestly really easy to make. So if you like it, please be sure to subscribe and continue watching. Alrighty, we're gonna start by pinning our hair back just because I kind of don't want it to be all in our face while we're doing our makeup. So since this is vampire makeup, but obviously like I still want to look cute, you know, it's like cute vampire makeup. It's not like scary vampire makeup. I'm gonna go off with this LA Girl foundation just because I want coverage. Obviously over it, I'm gonna do a lighter shade, but for now, I'm just gonna put this quickly all over my face. I'm not really gonna be too like picky on it just because it will be covered. Oops, I kind of did a lot. Next, I'm gonna go in with this NYX SFX cream color in a white shade. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna use like a foundation brush. I like to spray some like Mario Badescu on it just so it's easier to work with. And just honestly, all over the face. Okay, now that I look like I haven't been in the sun in like 12 years, you know, we got the look. It's not like white, but I did make myself just look pretty pale. I think it looks more pale on the camera than it does in person, to be honest. Like I have no color. Oops, I got some in my hair. Let's ignore that. Next, we're just gonna do eyebrows. I'm gonna do them like I usually do them, maybe just a tad bit darker. That's probably the only difference. And for eyebrows, I'm gonna be using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. It just looks like this. Nothing special. It's fine. So I ended up doing my eyebrows a lot darker than I usually would, but you know, I think it fits it because, you know, we're vampires. Next, we're gonna do our very dramatic vampire contour. And I think I'm gonna honestly just go in with a black from the Urban Decay Smoky palette. I'm gonna try to be very light-handed. I'm gonna go in with Black Market. Dip it like, I'm so scared for it to be too intense. I'm gonna go a little bit in with white and just like make it sharper. And now that we went in for like 20 minutes, finally got the look I want that's like, you know, pretty chiseled if you ask me. Let's go in and prime our eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Cause guys, are we gonna pack on the eyeshadow? We're gonna do a smoky eye. That's for dang sure. I'm gonna go in with this fluffy brush from Lancome, and I'm gonna go in with Black Market from the Urban Decay Smoky palette, the one I use for the contour. But this time we're just gonna blend it in on the crease. Like a ton. We're gonna wanna smoke it out like pretty far out, honestly. As you can tell, it's not just on the lid, all over the crease, all over the lid, everywhere. Yep, you can already tell, and boy, are we still about to add more. Now that it's pretty packed on there, I'm gonna go in with the same color, but this time underneath. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're gonna take the same black color we've been using and this time pack it on with your finger. That way it's the blackest black we can possibly get, because colors are a lot more opaque when you do that. So, safe to assume we're not gonna get it any darker than that. Now, we're gonna go in with the Kat Von D liquid liner. You guys, if you watch my other makeup routine, you know that I love this. So good, definitely would recommend. And we're gonna do a pretty dramatic wing. The good part about the black eyeshadow is that your wing doesn't even have to be perfect, because you can't even tell it's there that much. It kind of just, I mean, you can tell it opens up the eye, but it's not like that obvious. Now we're gonna curl our eyelashes. I'm gonna go ahead and put on these Ardell Natural Lashes. Obviously it would probably be better to do the really dramatic ones, just because, you know, we're already doing the darkest look you can ever get. So I'm gonna put these on off camera because there's no way I can do this here. So my lashes are now on. I'm gonna go ahead and pack on the mascara just so they can be even more dramatic. So this is what the eyes currently look like. Pretty smoking and dark, which is, you know, our goal. Next, I'm gonna go in with this NARS lipstick. It's just honestly any red lipstick, and fill in your lips normally. So I never do red lips, and now I kind of understand why. It does not look good on me. Now we're gonna take the best part, the vampire blood. I've never used fake blood before, so I might flop entirely. Let's hope not. Okay, I'm so excited. Wow, she said that with the psychoest eyes ever. So glad that did not get on my white pillow. It got on my leg. It's a lot more runny than I thought it was gonna be. Yikes, that could have been really bad. How do I stop it from running? Oh, it's kind of cool. Oh, okay. Okay, I see the vibe. I get the vibe now. Okay. This is really cold. Do you get the vision? Because I do. Oh, this is kind of cool. Really don't want to eat it. I really hope this is edible, because I'm pretty sure some went in my mouth. I look like I have officially lost it, and maybe I have. Oh, look how cool this looks. Anyway, guys, I really hope I cannot take myself seriously when I look like this. You know, all my costumes have always been like pretty like princesses and like scarecrow and like nothing ever like bloody, and I kind of love this. I kind of want to put blood all over my face, but that would kind of just make me look like not a vampire, so maybe I won't do that. Anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this look, please be sure to subscribe. Let me know what videos you guys want to see from me next, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.